My name is John, and I'm here with my daughter Sarah. She's a senior in Arlington High School, and we're just going around and checking out the community colleges in the SUNY network. And we're here to take the tour and see the campus and see if she likes it.
We're here today to check out the campus, see what classes are available. And my older son graduated from Westchester a few years ago, so now my daughter is coming up and she wanted to see what was available at the school.
I'm interested in the performing arts program. I want to pursue a career in music technology and hopefully work in a recording studio.
Basically, I came to Westchester. I want to transfer, hopefully to Binghamton. I want to take the honors course, and hopefully one day I'll get a job in business.
I came here today because I'm transferring from Delaware State University, and I was a communications major there. And I didn't really like the atmosphere there, so I heard about Westchester Community College, and I heard about the great things about the communications center and all the great things they offer. So I wanted to look into what they have here and see how I can better myself as far as communications goes.
I'm excited because she's going to go into the art program, and she is a fantastic art student. And I know and I saw how many opportunities there are for art students who want to pursue a career in this area. So I just want to say thank you for the open house, and I wish everyone luck. Thank you.